Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and gaining access to the firmware. Back up everything now. Make sure files are restorable. Next, remove the write protect screw or set the firmware switch if your Chromebook needs it, because without that you cannot overwrite Chrome OS. Create a bootable USB with the replacement OS image using Rufus or Etcher and confirm the USB boots in another machine. Once done, power off, plug the USB in, and prepare to enter recovery or developer mode so you can install. You now boot the machine from your prepared USB and overwrite Chrome OS. Enter developer or recovery mode with the model-specific key sequence, then pick the USB from the boot menu. Select the installer and choose manual partitioning so you can delete Chrome OS partitions, stateful, root, and kernel. Create an EFI partition for firmware, a root partition formatted ext4 for Linux or NTFS for Windows, and add swap if required. Make sure to write the bootloader to the correct EFI device. You finish by installing the bootloader and completing the OS setup. Follow the installer prompts to create your user account and apply updates. After successful boot, re-enable firmware write protection if you removed it, because that restores security. Make sure Wi-Fi, keyboard, and touchpad work, then restore your backed up files. If the device fails to boot, check EFI entries with FBootinger or the Windows Repair tool, reinstall the bootloader, and, if necessary, reset firmware settings to defaults to recover a clean startup path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.